Welcome back to the Leece-Neville Tech Garage. I'm Jonathan Smith, and today I would like to talk to you about an extreme use environment that requires premium products and technologies to offer uninterrupted hours of service. And that market is mining, pit, and quarry. We have PowerPro Extreme starters and IdlePro Extreme alternators for these applications. We'll start with the PowerPro Extreme 12 starter motor, commonly known as the Prestige Electric M128. This severe-duty 24-volt starter offers 12 kilowatts of cranking power to serve extreme environments and heavy-duty applications in mines around the world. The PowerPro Extreme 12 starter motor offers coverage for Case, Caterpillar, Cummins, Hitachi, John Deere, Komatsu, and MTU engines and applications. The starter only weighs 36 pounds, so it's ideal for a one-person replacement as opposed to a two-person replacement. The PowerPro Extreme 12 starter motor is a high-torque planetary gear-reduced design starter that can crank engines up to 40 liters with a single starter and 80 liters with dual starters. This starter can operate in temperatures down to minus 40 degrees C up to 125 degrees C. It can be used in wet and dry clutch applications. It has a rotatable flange, a radial bell housing seal, and the mag switch has multiple mounting locations. With these adjustments, you can use one starter and stock less part numbers and fit more applications. Other competitive starters last 2,000 to 3,000 hours. Our starter lasts 2 to 3 times longer than that, significantly increasing your service life and reducing replacement cost. Also, this starter is known around the world for its design and performance. Next, we have our IdlePro Extreme M-Series alternators, specifically designed for mining applications. We've recently added a 185 amp 24 volt unit to our 250 and 275 amp offerings. This alternator is specifically designed with special dust and debris bearing seals to protect internal components from damage and increasing your service life. Additionally, we've designed a dual-hole pad mount configuration, which enables the rear mount to accommodate long and short pad mount surfaces through a second set of holes. These alternators weigh 39 pounds, which is ideal for one-person replacement as opposed to two-person replacement. This alternator has an innovative high-amp brushless design, best-in-class output at low RPM that extends your service life, increases your vehicle uptime, and gives you power across all conditions. Some alternators automatically reduce output as temperatures rise. That's called a throttle back regulator, and what it does is it saves the alternator at the detriment of the electrical components on your vehicle. IdlePro Extreme alternators don't have that feature. We've carefully spec'd our alternators to provide maximum output at high temperature to protect the electrical components on your vehicle. One other special feature IdlePro Extreme alternators have is isolated ground technology. This protects the engine from stray voltage that can cause electronic damage to your engine. We have specifically designed the PowerPro Extreme 12 starter motor and IdlePro Extreme mining version alternators to meet or exceed OE specifications. This will increase the service life of your vehicle. Check out PowerProStarters.com and IdleProExtreme.com for more information. Thanks for tuning in today. Please stay tuned for more battery-saving, innovative technology from Leece-Neville.